The next question from Units and Measurements is from 1995, and the question given is, which of the following is a dimensional constant? First, what is a dimensional constant? The physical quantity which has a fixed value and also possesses a dimensional formula is called a dimensional constant. Now, four options are already given. So let's check which of those has dimensions and which does not have dimensions. First one, a relative density. What is its definition? It is density of substance by density of water, usually taken at 4 degrees. Density units, kg per meter cube, and density of water also kg per meter cube. So the units of the overall simplification will be no units. Hence the dimensional formula will be m0, l0, t0. Okay. So that is not the right option. Now checking for gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. From Newton's law of gravity, we know that gravitational force is given as G m1 m2 by r square. Writing for G, G is equal to fr square by m1 m2. So G units Newton meter square by kg square. How do we get this? Unit of force is Newton, distance, r is distance, distance is square, distance is measured in meters, so meter square. Next, mass is kg, so mass into mass is kg square. Now writing its dimensional formula, G, Newton m1 l1 t power minus 2 into distance, meter is length, by kg square is m square. Dimensional formula should be written in square brackets. So G, m power 1, m power 2 makes it m power minus 1, L power 1, L power 2 multiplied, so L power 3, t power minus 2. So here the dimensional formula has not vanished, so that should be the option. But let's also check for the other quantities given. Refractive index. What is definition for refractive index? Mu is equal to speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium. What is the unit for speed of light? Meter per second by meter per second. Meter per second would get cancelled. So again refractive index has no units. Hence it will also have no dimensional formula because the units get cancelled. Next, talking about Poisson's ratio. Poisson's ratio definition. Poisson's ratio sigma, it is represented by sigma, is equal to lateral strain by longitudinal strain. What is lateral strain? Change in radius by initial radius of a given wire. Longitudinal strain, change in length by initial length of the given wire. Change in radius, change in length, all are measured in meters, right? Meter per meter. So again, I have no units here. All the units getting cancelled. So again, it also becomes a dimensionless quantity. I can't say equal. I can say sigma has no dimensional formula. Now, dimensional constant. Why this should be the option? The other reason for this being the option is its value is fixed. It is a constant. What is the value? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square is a unit. Okay, so that should be the answer. Please check. Hope it is understood. If you liked and thought that our video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.